Can you hear? Okay. Good. Need a very obvious swing point here. We dumped all of you up again. Pretty obvious swing point there. I'll go for the scalp on the short. We are break even, trailing down, trailing 535, 325, sorry, 323. Trailing. Stopped on the trail. Decent scalp. Rejection off the channel. Mm, on. No, not yet. There we go. All right, we're on the channel again. Looking for shorts right here. I'm hoping we get a breakout. Yeah, here we go. We're getting a break of the channel. See if this is a false break. Likely is a false break. And that looks like a false break to me, so I will go for that short. See what happens here. A little bit of a retest. It went break even and got stopped. And it's gonna fall. No, it's a rejection. But are we still falling? Yep, I'm gonna go for the short again. Stop. Break even gets stopped again, motherfuckers, and it dumps. All right, I gotta turn off this auto break even. It's killing me. Yeah. And I missed that. That was a beautiful scalp, and just missed it because of the auto break evens is too tight. Hook, man. Hook. That would have hit target. All right, Misty. Smashing into an end cap on the VIX again. Don't see it rejecting yet. Auto break even just robbed me of $250. But it's okay. Maybe more chances. More chances. Hmm. Here we are. Maybe get another rejection here. Looking like it. I'll go for that. I'm short on this. Stop at that little swing there. Let's see here. And it is running up. Okay, we got a small swing point there. I'm going to put my stops right there and leave it. See what happens here. Almost. Whoa! That just exploded up. Okay. Getting a break of the channel. Or our channel is getting more defined. Let's see. No. Just a break. No. Doesn't pay attention. We just hit a key level. That was just a rejection of it. Just took out a bunch of stops. Somewhere. Got a new 5-minute candle here. Let's see if this is really going to break out. Rejection. I don't know about this, man. I don't think it's a breakout. We're gonna lose the zone here. Nope. Just looking at the books, the contracts are so thin. This is whipping because there's nothing to trade. Looking like a bullflag after the trend break. But I really want to see this low right here get swept before I switch to bulls. Switch to buying. Oh, what am I up right now? 763. Getting some consolidation here, just creating a range. Nothing going on. Whole lot of nothings. Daily FLB won me a trade. YM's looking good on daily FLB. So it does. All right, so we got a sweep of the lows. Are we going to hold that or are we going to dump? What's it going to be? Ooh, there's the dump. We get a retest. There you go. The retest. New 5-minute. And it's shoving up. We're in the end cap now. Going through the end cap. Maybe not. Back up into 50% of this range here. What are you gonna do, price? Oh. It did not do what I wanted to do, so I'm waiting again. I was looking for the rejection to short down, but if this is a reversal, I need to see the structure swept here. I'm short. See if we can't get this one. Oh, come on. Son of a bitch. Okay, they're just whipsaw. That's it. I'm waiting for a while. I'm down to 568 now. Maybe they are buying. Right, I'm long. I'm long on that. Wow. Break even. It's gonna whip again. You're kidding me. Here it goes. Come on. Trailing 328.75 on the trail. Trailing that wicked candle right there, 329.75. Trailing next flat bottom on Ninjarenko's 332.75. And TP is missed by one tick. And then it's going to turn around on me. That's just my luck lately. There we go. See? One tick missed on TP, got on the trail at 333. Back up to 728. One tick missed on the take profit. Fucking pricks. But it's okay. Still won the trade. And we dump back down instantly. Yeah, dude. They are whipping price right now. I'm scalping. I don't use a risk to reward when I'm scalping. I don't know very many people that do. But my settings are 100 and 100 ticks and 100 ticks for stop loss and take profit. So initially it's a 1-to-1, and then but I move my stop up to swings or beacon points or whatever, and then I trail. See, they keep rejecting the low channel, but they will not push up into the high channel. That's why I'm saying I'm thinking this is a false breakout. I don't think this is pushing up. You gotta be careful here. Get our heads stomped in. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, see, if you guys want to see the book maps too, I can change the stream to this right here. I want devices. On here. Won't let me change the stream source. What the hell? I mean, it's turned on, right? Let's see. Virtual, yeah, virtual webcam is running. Oh, there it goes. Now you can see book maps too. Make it bigger. Yeah, that's starting to look good. Still haven't left this initial range over here. breaking out to the upside of it, but it doesn't go. Okay. I'm going to short that. I'm shorting that. There it goes. Oh, it dumped and then retraced hard. Dude, they keep doing this shit, man. Stops there. Stops at 295. They're retracing the retracements again, over and over again. Yeah, stopped out. All right, that's fine. Whatever. Literally, here's a retracement dump, and then they're retracing the retracement. See? Right here. Look. See? Fucking annoying. And then here it comes. All right, we just need to, so this right here needs to be broke. That's what I'm gathering. If that doesn't get broke. Oh. Right there. That's what has to be broke to drop. Kind of in this little asymmetrical triangle right here, kind of. And okay, so that's what they are doing here. I confirm that. Choppy, 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 choppy. They are chopping and whipping everything. we go. Looking for the buy. If this is going to continue these rejections right here. Let's see if we get it. There's the buy right there. Stop at the low. And let's see if they're going to continue this pattern. And it doesn't look like it. Yeah, maybe. Isn't that how it goes? When you finally start, okay, I'll just trade the channel. It turns around and just stops doing that. The way it goes. There you go. Rip up there. Rip on up. There it is. Come on. Keep going. You're not. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. There it goes. Trailing 306. 306 on the trail. 306 on the trail hit. $100. God, they are just like fucking with us today, man. This is starting to get real tight. I'm going to wait for a break because we're starting to lose room. We don't really have much room. We got 20 points. Well, there's looks to be a break. Or just maybe that's just it right there. Well, there's a break. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I want to see a big retest. I don't trust breakouts. See, see that fade right back in after the break. Yeah, I'll see. They'll get you. All the way back down. Cray, crazy. So we just got to sweep it. Actually, it held this high here. So we might see our bear flag play out here. Let's find out. This is just nothing but a big ass bear flag. I'm going to go for this short here. See if we can't get this locked in here. Of course, it's going to whipsaw. Why wouldn't it? Keeps giving and taking, giving and taking. Look at this. This is insane. They're gonna fade the bottom again. Okay. Fuck it then. I'm buying. Fade it then. Do it. You're gonna keep doing it, do it. Come on. Fade it. Blocking in 301. Holding stop at 301. Take profits below the channel. Should be good. Smack it. Smack it. All right, there we go. They're still fading. Holy, I thought for sure this one was going to break, but you know, nope. So we're up to 815 now. We're going to fade again. We held this low and we held this high. So this is the range to beat right here. And it's fading again. All right. I'm short. Yeah, they're going to whip it. Stops going to 320.25. Oh, there's the dump. Here we go. Keep going. Inside my working range. I just built my working range with these white lines here. This is what you just saw me do. All right, I'm break even. Trailing 307.25. Trailing 301.50. Trailing 299.25. Trailing 297.50. Trailing 295.75. Stop the trail. Back up to $1,000. See if it's going to respect it this time. What are you doing, Mr. Pricey Price? Were you finally going to break down? This took this low. Give an end cap at 230. And it just hit 230. See if we can't get a rejection here. Or we're going to continue crashing. All right, the VIX. We just got to slam into an end cap on the VIX again. Here's that short off of the bear flag on 5 minutes. Let's get ourselves a pullback and we could probably get into this. I really want to see 975 get wiped out. There it is right there. Did it actually do it? No, not yet. Looking for shorts right now. In the short. Break even. Don't hit it. Ah, son of a bitch. Short again. Come on. Dump a little bit. Stop whipping up after every little drop. Right, stop at 197. Fuck this. All right, I'm done with this. They're just fucking around, dude. They're not letting it go. So I'm not going to keep playing with it. Fucking fighting over every single little tick. Ah, it's annoying because this is going to hit the TP. There's a new 5-minute candle. I want to see a swing up and under the zone. Get into the short. Gotta swing up and back down. There we go. $9.92 has a ton of. I just realized that Bookmaps is not. I'm on the wrong fucking contract on Bookmaps. They haven't updated yet. And there it is right there, and I'm short. Hopefully they stop with their games. This doesn't just range and it goes. Come on, you little fucker. There it is. But I'm trailing 181.25. Trailing 179.25. Trail hit. Fine. Let me get my Bookmaps fixed here. Not the right contract anymore. NQ, what is it? NQH H6. Here we go. Now we're on the right pricing. There we go. Reload 12 hours here. Still going down, still going. Got ourselves a new channel. Draw that out. Get a swing low here. That isn't the channel. Well, unless it rejects. If it rejects, that is it. VIX is still pumping straight up. Blew out through the end cap there. See how I did that crossover, the crossover method? You guys really need to study that video. Crossover. Really need to pay attention to these because you can literally take a scalp every 5 minutes doing this. New 5-minute zone forms. We sweep up, sweep down, or sweep down and sweep up, but that's your entry. But go in the direction of trend and you have more probability of success. Okay, so we got ourselves a new swing right here. So that's probably going to be it. Oh, like that. We'll wait till it flips around and confirm it, but we've got 1, 2. Okay, it just keeps crashing. We don't have a third touch yet. We need a third. We need a confirmation for the channel. There we go. Right off of a 5-minute end cap. I like in NT8 because you can see that forever until they're mitigated. So this is a new 5-minute candle right here. Starting out down. Starting out down. And we're sweeping up. And it's just gonna crash. No entry there. Ah, okay. We're coming back all the way down to the initial channel. This is a mega drop. We're about to hit previous day low. You see some resistance right here. This should try to fight this. Yeah, there's a bunch of orders right here. Cross down and cross up. Come on. Do it. Not quite getting there. Come on. Not quite getting there. Yeah, I'm going to avoid this one. We're past 30% of the move already. So for the candle. Yep. Look at that. See? Got a struggle going on here. Way more buyers and sellers here. I might actually go for this. We can get over this fucking thing. There we go. All right, I'm in it. I'm in the long. I'm in the long. Let's try. No, you fuckers, just go. Get ready to start trailing here. Nope. 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 They're being pricks. They're being pricks. There it goes. Come on. Sweep up there. You know you're going to do it. Just do it. Okay, I'm break even. Don't break even fast on the longs just in case it sweeps around. And I'm trailing tighter on the longs because we are in a downtrend. We are counter trend trading right now. 140.50, 144.75, 146.25. All right, 146.25 was taken. That was a decent scalp. So on the counter trends, I'm gonna go break even faster and I'm gonna trail harder because we're counter trend trading. You know, they could just dump it on our head, so it's a higher risk. But we had a valid entry. We got our sweep down and actually a cross up. And if you look at the beacon line, turn off the candles. Like, look at that. See? Cross down, cross up. Here's your entry. See that right there? You don't even need the candles. See how simple this is? Up, cross down. There's your entry down. Right. She likes it. I know. Good stuff. The most advanced structural mapping stuff on the planet. All right, it's almost 11. I don't want to take a break. I'm doing this shit for up 1190. First Light Beacon, the daily FLB algo won today, by the way. So did Trend Shift SE. Those have won today too. All those accounts are up. I got daily FLB on YM. Actually working really well. The 5-year back test is fucking amazing. I don't think I've ever seen anything that good actually that I've done. So here we are. We are dumping back down, but we didn't get an actual wick on the channel, so I ignored it. A plus setups. I'm already in the green. I'm not going to take stupid shit. Right? We didn't even touch the end cap. So see that right there? No end cap. No touchy. So I just wait. I'm actually about to go get a drink. I'll be right back. All right. The purple. That's the First Light Beacon. You go to our website right there, firstlightbeacon.com. He explains it to you. We got an end cap rejection right here. Look at that explosion. Whoa. Good God, it's already hit the 100 ticks. I can't even get into it. That was just insanely fast. Look at that. Wicked right into it and dumped. See, look at that. 100 ticks right here. It's already gone down 180. 40, 50 points right there. That was pretty slick. That's what the purple is, Travis done. That's what happens. And then this is the big one. This is letting me know which direction to trade. Down. Right. We are at previous day low. Need to be careful here. Something's going to happen. They're not just going to let this just crash. We have a metric fuck ton of contracts sitting at 24,900. Over 1,000 contracts sitting there. Probably a spoof. Spoof from pricks. That's like way down here. Holy fuck. That would bring us back to our channel from the day, start of the day. Possible. Anything's possible. Boom ba boom ba ba boo ba ba boo ba 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 boom ba 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 boo. Did you guys see the video about the guy that I was just like stream hopping other traders' YouTube streams and he was like, FLB, no edge. You guys see that? It was like, no edge, you're a phony. All right, cool. That's a video I made. I don't know, some dude, some quant guy, some quant. His username is quant something, but then he has no videos and no subscribers and no nothing. Anyways, I was just like, all right, dude, thanks for letting me know my trades are fake. So guys, right now what I'm doing is fake. When I click the button live like this, it's fake. Okay. It's not really happening. I'm really not clicking the button. You're just seeing it. It's a figment of your imagination. I personally control the matrix. It's all an illusion. Oh my God. Oh man. The majority of people are stupid as fuck. Oh God. I was just like, it doesn't even phase me anymore though. I have so many haters now. I don't know why. Why do you hate somebody that's trying to like, be like, yo, man, this shit works, bro. You want to make some money? Come here. I don't understand it. I mean, you're watching me do. I mean, like I do it all the fucking time. I don't get it. Fake. How is it fake? That 1190 ain't fake. All right. You lose trades. Oh my God. Really? God, I wish I didn't. Dude, if I could trade without losing a trade, I'd be a fucking trillionaire because I would max port every single trade I ever get into. And my freaking compounding would be so ridiculous. Could you imagine max porting every trade you ever got into and never lose? You'd be the first fucking trillionaire. Like, it would be unreal. I'd love it. Fucking amazing. If I could control the Matrix, I know, right? If I could control the Matrix, that's what I would do. Not try to trick people into a fake trading system. I'd be trying to fucking max port some. All my trades would be winners out of them. What do we got going on here? A new 5-minute, but it's chopping. Yeah, it's choppy. I don't want that. I don't want it. If it's not clean looking, it ain't clean looking. That's just it. Like, this is clean. See this? Start out and clean down, right? Now here's a start of a 5-minute. This is choppy. See that? That's how you know. Stay the fuck out. Even if it ends up ultimately winning, it's not worth it. Not an A+. You're trading these methods. This is a nice clean break, right? They're all over the place. You'll see them. Look at this is nice and clean up and down. Yeah, it does a little retest, but it's still a nice clean up and down. This is ugly. You don't take that. This is kind of ugly, but it's still kind of just up and down. This one right here, look at this. Kind of. I mean, up and down, but I wouldn't. That was too late into the candle. This one is it didn't really do it. You got your rejection here. You may scalp that down, but here's a clean one. Down and up from where it starts. And then up. Right? We turn off the candles. Look how clean this is. There's your scalp up. Right? And if you have your channels drawn, you know where to get in and out. Look at that. Did it right up into my working zone right here. And then look at my working zone. Look at it. It did a little dance. See? Little dance. Just clean. Just wait for clean, obvious as fuck looking shit. If it's not, you're in chop. You're about to get wrecked. Just stay out of it. I want this move. There we go. Oh my God. Stop. There we go. Ooh, look at guys. Look at, we're getting a trend line break up. Everybody buy. No, don't really do that. It's a joke. Trap, man. It's always a fucking trap. How many trend line breaks have we been trapped? Has been a trap today? This was a trend line break. It trapped. See, look. See? It got faded. It's a tarp. It's a tarp. Help. It's a tarp. It's a tarp. It's a tarp. Oh, look at it. We're in a range. Yep, right here. I see it. Right there. I'm gonna wait. Wait for that clean move. I mean, I should win more. I suck. Suck. Here we go. Here, is this going to be the reject? Is this the tarp? Ah, here's the tarp. Oh my god. Why isn't it going up, guys? It broke the trend line. It should go. It retested it too. I mean, theoretically, I mean, if you hit this bottom, there's 100 ticks, but I just not doing it. I not do that. Let's go. Give me a trade. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, ba-da-dum. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Maybe it is a breakout. I don't trust it at all. probably do what this did up here. Start ranging. The world. Yep. Let's see if we hold this right here. Oh, look at that. Got a bunch of orders sitting in 162-ish. Right at this end cap. Imagine that. Holy shit. 150 has the most. No, it doesn't. It has about 100 contracts right here. Ooh, look at. So we may have found our top if this is going to range right here. Our working range would be right here. And possibly our bottom right here. I'll probably change these colors. And working range right there. And what is that ATR there? 84. Okay. Okay. Or we just break all the way down. So then that's going to change. Do something like that. And that's going to become working range. I'm just setting up if this actually starts to range sideways. Where am I going to trade? I'm going to trade the meat, which would be right here. But it looks like it's just falling out. Back down to here. Which is okay too. Unless it doesn't. We do have an end cap down there, 5-minute end cap. Right underneath us at sitting around where it's going. This low. Below that low. If we sweep this low, we might actually start going bullish. So, kind of low here. Well, it looks like they're coming for it. Let's find out. Be a great setup for a buy to hold to this high up here, if it does. Stuffed a bunch of contracts at 2,500, which is inside the 5-minute end cap. So we're probably dropping to it. I mean, there's 300 contracts sitting on it. They're not going to just let that sit there. And there's the sweep of the low. 2,500 is right here. They're in there somewhere. About to get filled. You can see it right here, this big bar. All right. It got protected. Now let's find ourselves a pullback. 24,900 has over 1,000 contracts sitting at it. Shit, are we still gonna just crash down? 900 is like way down there. We just swept the low and we're back underneath it again. Maybe this is gonna go just keep going down and down and down. Holy shit. All right. I'm buying that. That's, I mean, I just can't ignore this. We just swept a prominent low and we're getting buying volume flushing in. Come on. There we go. Break even. Trailing hard. Remember, we're counter trend trading. Don't fucking swipe me right there. All right. Trails at 040.75. Trails at 044.75. Fuck. Failed out. Okay. So I'm counter trend trading. So I'm going to be tight on the break evens and trailing. And it's still running. Son of a bitch. And that's just the game we play. I mean, that was a decent scalp. Look at that rejection. That was brutal. See you later, Misty. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Give me a setup. I'm not convinced this is an actual reversal. I mean, we swept the low and we pumped, but I don't know. It's holding right here. They're trying to hold 2,500 hard. Yeah, it's kind of, we're just ranging out. Yeah, no. Well, it broke here and come down and swept the low. But I mean, it's the same thing it did here. But this ranged out, swept the low, and then dumped again. But 2,500 was like, was just defended so hard. Oh yeah, yeah. I see. $2,500 and $24,900 are massive amounts of contracts sitting there. Just it keeps doing these massive rejections, just instant, just boom. People are selling the shit out of it. New 5-minute candle. See what it does here. Still running. I'm gonna bite on this one. I'm gonna buy this one. I'm gonna bite it. Biting. Right to my working zone there. See what happens. And break even. Running with it. 079. Ah, it's gonna get me. 07975 is this trail. Yeah, it got me. Fuck. They're dumping so hard. There's no way I'm not gonna trail these buys. If we get another doji here. Fuck it. I'm gonna wait. See what it does. If it gets back inside this range here, that'll be easy trading because then we can just fade the edges. Yeah, look at that. See, they're just dumping so hard on everything. Honestly, it's almost lunchtime. Might as well just give it a break and fucking come back later or something. I'm up $1,300, dude. Like, what am I still doing? Is Bookmap worth it? Fuck yeah, Bookmap is worth it. I don't take a trade without looking at Bookmap first. I want to see where orders are. I want to see the orders that are not just the pending orders, but just the placement. Like if I come back over here and see, like, hold on, why isn't it letting me pick the, so I can see the placement of the orders, right? Hold on, let me just transform, fit the screen. There we go. So I can see where's real supply, real demand is. Like this red, this is a demand. This red is a demand. There's 250 contracts sitting there, right? And then I can see where all the aggressive buyers and sellers have been. And if we get to like pushing up to into one of these massive sellers here, like trying to get through that, it's gonna be like trying to beat a wall. That's why I don't believe this is an actual reversal. So if you look up here, we had massive sellers right here. Massive sellers right here. So we might push up into it and then this will create a support. But we can also look at how many orders are on the books right here, and we can see that there's supply generated right here. So we got 160, 150 contracts just sitting right here waiting to be filled. So yeah, Bookmaps is definitely worth it. Then you can get on a smaller level here and really see what's going on right in your local area. And you can see that we have aggressive buyers pushing and pushing, but we're not breaking this level here, right? And we're starting to create more aggressive sellers. So once you learn how to read it, yeah, it helps a lot. I don't take a trade anymore unless I look at this thing. And the let me see here. Let's look up my win rate for today on this account. Let's look. I will pull it up right now. Reports. Account of my own. 63%. There you go. I'll put this on the screen. It's not all just Bookmaps, obviously, but there you go. This is what I've done today on this account that I'm trading. Yeah, it's really easy to lose once you understand what it's doing. Yeah, not really. It makes seeing the order flow so much easier because you're literally, so you can adjust shit. You know, not just you're just seeing where blocks of orders are sitting, and then the dots are you can adjust them to whatever style you want. Like here's a bunch of little dots, right? And then you can turn off the bid and ask. There's like shit you can do. Turn on candles if you want. I just want to see the dots because the dots are what has taken place. Pending orders are just pending orders. They can be removed from the market. but these dots represent what has actually happened. And that's really good information. The First Light beacon has volume dots as well. So the indicator that we have here, I'll turn them on there. See, so this is giving you extreme volume as well. So we're getting into volume dots breaking down, and it will show you the extremes and tell you the number built in it. So is it a way to bring them to the forefront? But here they are right here. I think you have to push that above the. Yeah, there we go. So now you can actually see the numbers. And that just shows the extreme. You can turn it on so that it shows all of the volume, or you can just do extremes that you set based on a set that you want. And it will start generating the bubbles bigger or smaller based on the volume. So if I go obviously a higher time frame, I'm not getting your zones to load. Oh, it's because I'm too high of a time frame for that. There we go. So here you go. And you can see that we're getting a bunch of volume, so you can actually take the trade. And that's built into the First Light beacon. You have volume confirmation. Am I full time? Yeah. Yeah, full time. Boo boo boo. Hey boo boo. What do you do, boo boo? Trying to see if we'll get some more volume right here and you actually see this thing, see the volume dots start to work. Because it doesn't just do, there we go. See, it'll start building right here as they come in. That's telling you that we're getting a lot of volume, selling volume in right there, and it's helping confirm this support break, right? And that's already over 10 points. See, let me get some buy volume. Here's your pullback. And then if this starts dumping and you start getting sell volume, then you've got yourself a short. Got a new 5-minute candle in 1 minute. And that's what these zones are right here. This is the 5-minute candle turned into this zone. So we can actually see the structure of the candle built into it. So you can trade off of it. Here's our 5-minute candle right now, or 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And we're getting volume. See, selling volume starting to step in. Bookmaps is confirming that. But we have a new 5-minute candle in 5 seconds, so I'll wait on that because we'll get a momentum shift. Let's see what's going on. There's our shift up. And the beacon never went up. See that? It never actually went above it. So I might wait on this. I want to see the beacons shift up. Oh, no. They're just going to dump it. And I'm short on that. And I'm going break even. Oh, break even got stopped. My actual NinjaTrader actually doesn't have price action moving. I gotta do something with that. There we go. And break even got stopped, which is a good thing because look at what's happening. Okay, I see what's going on here. I'm deleting everything. Turn off this right here. There it is right there. I never got into any shorts, Halo, on ES. I haven't trade copied anything. I don't even have it open. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have, there's no ES trades whatsoever. I don't even have Replicano turned on. So I don't know how the hell. Yeah, there's nothing going on. You have you might have a pending order like stuck somewhere. You should cancel all orders every day on NinjaTrader for sure, 100%. Oh, we're getting in this little range here. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna take lunch. I'm actually getting hungry. And possibly come back. I'm not sure. I don't know. But it's starting to get stupid and just not really doing anything. Probably like 2 o'clock or something when another 4-hour candle pops off. Well, I will see you guys later.